Right, this is the last attempt to get any goodies out of my little serial assist. Not much left, so I think. Sorry about the break in the filming, but I'll see it was taking a bit longer to drain than I thought it would. Right, I think we're coming more down to blood now. Looks like a pretty dark brown clotty thing coming out. I'm sure there'll be loads of doctors giving out shit that I should be doing this at home. But it's a recession in Ireland. Home medication and all that. Oh, fucking hell. This bastard's still coming out. Okay. I think that dark lump at the base of it is actually probably the root of the cause issue, or the cause of the root issue. Okay, guys, it's getting a bit uncomfortable now, so I'm just gonna remove that and get a tweezers to remove the remainder of it. Hope you enjoyed that. Cheers. Bye.